Inilabas ng Vancouver Canucks ang kanilang Community and Fan Engagement Nights para sa susunod na 4 na buwan. At sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon kabilang dito ang Filipino Heritage Night. Higit isang taon matapos ilabas sa social media ng Filipino BC ang mga salitang, "Hey Canucks, we want a Filipino Heritage Night," narinig na ng National Hockey League o NHL franchise ang kanilang hiling.
Given that there's just so many Filipinos now living in BC and are increasingly becoming hardcore Canucks fans, it's way overdue.
Kabilang ang Filipino Heritage Night sa 8 Community and Fan Engagement Nights na inanunsyo ng Vancouver Canucks Miyerkules. Bagay na ikinatuwa raw ng ilang kababayan, kabilang ang Canucks season ticket holder Ryan Ventura.
When I saw the announcement this week that they were going to do a Filipino Heritage Night, I felt an overwhelming sense of pride, and at the same time I also felt like this sense of being seen.
Maganda rin daw na nakikipag-ugnayan ang Canucks sa Filipino community sa Vancouver, pati na sa grupong Filipino BC, organizers ng Lapu-Lapu Block Party noong April 26 na nauwi sa trahedya.
Of course, with the recent tragedy that happened at the Lapu-Lapu Day Festival, extremely unfortunate, but I mean, we've never felt more community, never felt more kapwa than we ever have here in this city and in the province of British Columbia.
Dalawa pang NHL teams ang kadalasan nagsasagawa ng Filipino Heritage Nights, ang LA Kings at Winnipeg Jets. Bukod sa mas maraming Pilipinong dadalo o di kaya'y magvo-volunteer, excited rin daw si Ventura sa inaasahang Filipino-inspired programming pagdating sa musika, jumbotron, intermissions at pati na rin sa mga logo o jersey designs.
I hope they select a very good artist from our community to design it and have like our Canucks logo in the colors of our Filipino flag. It's going to be so beautiful. I'm looking forward to the intermission entertainment, maybe traditional dancing. Of course, for sure, you're going to have some really good singers, most definitely sing the Canadian national anthem.
Magaganap ang Filipino Heritage Night sa December 5 sa Rogers Arena, kung saan makakaharap ng Canucks ang Utah Mammoth.
And, to finally have this night, thank you so much for making it happen, and I'm hoping we can do it every year.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.